Today's topic is also an anti-aging home remedy. The simple beauty tip on how to remove wrinkles from face and forehead naturally at home. Please watch carefully every steps, otherwise it is not going to work. This is going to remove forehead wrinkles, under eye wrinkles, wrinkles on face and wrinkles around mouth. A 100% natural anti-aging skin care for you. Aloe vera really is Mother Nature's alternative to Botox for wrinkles. If you want a very strong anti-aging home remedies for wrinkles treatment around mouth or smile lines, then aloe vera is a gift of nature with many healing benefits. It is also extremely effective with sunburns. So, stop thinking about Juvederm and start to use aloe vera gel to reduce your saggy skin and rejuvenate it naturally. Aloe vera extract is recommended for skin tightening, skin brightening, acne and dry skin. It is said to increase collagen production and thus improve the texture of your skin. We all know how important banana is for permanent skin whitening face mask to get fair, spotless, glowing skin. Nowadays we all running after instant result like Restylane to smooth laugh lines or nasolabial folds and enhance lips. But banana can be a great natural wrinkle remover and a Botox for smile lines or laugh lines. The best organic wrinkle treatment for laugh line fillers and marionette lines around mouth. The face mask is used not just for skin brightening, but also to treat wrinkles and crow's feet. Vitamin E oil helps to cleanse your skin by removing the impurities and helps to improve skin elasticity. It also helps fight the effect of free radicals that also helps for crow's feet eyes. After 30s everyone wants to look younger, and start to search how to get rid of laugh lines and fine lines etc. If you like the video then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.